Alright, so this is the Vic, and this is my piece of shit Zune that barely works. And when I came in here, I got a new phone today, gave me an HTC Pure. When I came in here rolling the bass, and his car alarm starts going off a little bit, like the 3 beeps thing. So I'm gonna see if I can't get it to do it again. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Holy shit, alright. A little bit more than I wanted. That's fucking great. Alright. Oh, shit. Alright, I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. They made. Alright, so earlier when I did that, it just went beep, beep, beep. That time it went off. Alright.